As readers and writers, we'll be inspired by some sounds to create sinister poetry, and then we will also be looking at the illustrations in Hugo Cabret to inspire some mystery narrative writing. And then later on in the term, we'll be linking our writing to our DT curriculum, where we will be creating persuasive voiceovers for our movie trailers.
As mathematicians, we're going to be continuing with fractions greater than 1, including calculating with them. Then we're moving on to division with remainders, using real-life scenarios to help us.
As designers, we will explore different joining techniques to design and create our own Iron Man made of recycled materials. We will then use our newly developed skills to ensure our Iron Man can move and that it fits our design brief.
As computer scientists, we'll be investigating iMovie to create our own short film trailers for the story of the Iron Man. We will learn how to sequence clips of mixed media, trim and cut our films, and add our own titles and transitions. We will then use our persuasive writing to create a voiceover for the trailer. As historians, we'll be taking another look at sources, this time linked to inventions. We will analyse what they are and how they were used, and suggesting how these have developed over time to the present day.
In E4S lessons, we will be learning about relationships and how these change over time as we grow older. We will also be looking at what is an appropriate use of touch and where to get any advice and support if needed.
As spiritual leaders, we will be learning about the qualities of leadership in religion, focusing on inspirational leaders from the Jewish faith. We will explore how different communities work together and understand the impact of Jewish charitable organisations.
As scientists, we'll be learning about electricity and creating circuits. We'll be adding light bulbs and switches and buzzers to our circuits. We will then be learning about insulators and conductors and linking all of this to our DT product, where we are making Iron Man models and we'll be adding eyes to these to light up.
Bonjour! As linguists, we are going to be developing our conversation skills as well as learning some vocabulary for classroom resources and answering key questions. As athletes, we're going to be practicing our athletic skills in preparation for sports day.
And then Chile and Brazil classes will be continuing their swimming lessons, whilst Argentina class develop their dance and gymnastic skills.